Good evening, and a warm welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I would like to share with you how eating a banana before you go to sleep can provide quality rest. If you're looking for a healthy snack, you can't go wrong with bananas. Bananas are nutritious. They are rich in fiber, magnesium, and potassium. They also contain carbohydrates, copper, manganese, and vitamins B6 and C. The fruit contains almost zero fat and very little protein. Bananas can also keep your heart healthy and promote weight loss. However, in order to fully reap the health benefits of bananas, you should eat them at night. Bananas can even be used as a rice substitute, since they are full of carbohydrates. Sleep is a bodily function that requires energy. When you consume a banana before going to bed, you help your body prepare energy from a healthy source. This can also ensure that you have better sleep, better quality, and that you wake up with a healthier body. The metabolic process takes place at night until early morning, and eating a fiber-rich banana before you turn in for the night can help prevent constipation. Bananas can also help promote regular bowel movements. Bananas contain melatonin that can improve the quality of your sleep. Eat bananas at least 1 hour before you go to bed so you can have a good night's sleep. You can also try this banana, cinnamon, and honey tea. For the recipe, please watch the video in the description. Sometimes you may experience muscle cramps while you're sleeping if you are tired after a day of prolonged physical activity. To prevent muscle cramps, eat a banana. The magnesium and potassium in the fruit will help repair muscle damage and cramps. If you're trying to lose weight, you can snack on bananas because they are relatively low in calories. A medium-sized banana only has 100 calories, but it is nutritious and filling. Like other fruits and vegetables, bananas have dietary antioxidants, such as catechins and dopamine. Both antioxidants are associated with various health benefits, like a lower risk of heart disease and degenerative illnesses. Bananas are the perfect food. They're nutritious and portable. You can eat them as a snack or as a dessert, and they can help you lose weight naturally. Bananas are also a versatile ingredient, and you can use green or yellow bananas to make different kinds of foods or nutritious smoothies. Reap the many health benefits of this yellow fruit by eating it regularly. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.